Welcome back. We've covered quite a bit of information so far, getting ourselves mentally aligned with the roles and requirements of a consulting mechanical engineer, and then getting some preparations done on the project management side. We've started looking at what to do while you are doing your work, and today I will be continuing that discussion. Today, we will get to some mistakes that often occur when working with CAD models, the finite element method, CFD, and using Excel CalcSheets for your analyses. This lesson is going to be quite long. I suggest that you listen to it broken up into a few sections, and I've got a worksheet allocated to each of the sections that's included in this lesson as well. Firstly, it's important to discuss the workflow and where all this would play a role. In consultancy, a client comes to ask for insight. It might be in the form of a new design, maybe addressing some design they've already made. Maybe it's a failure analysis or help with their design explorations. The one thing that you as a consultant will always provide is your insight. You will do an exploration on what is given to you. Look at the loading on the system. Check that what is expected to happen actually does happen. Provide adjustments if it's required. But in essence, you will analyze the system. The tools that you will use in your analysis will include hand calculations, for which you may very well use Excel. It may be that you create a model in 3D using something like SolidWorks and run a simulation if the scope includes it on FEA or CFD or a combination. If you do run a simulation, it is always best practice to have rough hand calculations done to ensure the results that you are getting are broadly accurate. Now, there are so many things that you will need to consider in each of these analysis tools and their application on the specific problem that you're analyzing, that there is absolutely no way that I can prepare you. This is something that you will need active guidance on from your seniors and managers, because this is also where industry edge would lie. Maybe there are some tricks and assumptions that has been refined within your company over the years. This is something that I cannot know or teach. What I can do is address some common mistakes made when applying these analysis methods and some best practices to start incorporating so that your first try with these analysis methods are a little less bumpy. This lesson will cover creating CAD models, conducting Excel-based engineering calculations, running finite element analysis, and running computational fluid dynamics analysis.